Gold last week yet again bounced back from the previous week's lows and has hit the highs at 29.30 before closing the week at 29.10. Though there was a possibility for gold to retrace all the way towards 20 period, as we can see the retracements here, but right now it is not showing any such sign. So can we expect the coming week to show some signs of reversal, or it is going to break past the highs again and move beyond 29.55 all the way towards $3,000 levels? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for gold. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Now on the weekly charts, this is a channel in which gold is trading for long now, almost couple of years now. And see, this time it is shying away from the highs. There is still room for it to move beyond 3000. However, when you look at the movement for last few weeks, you can find out there is a clear resistance offered on the upside towards 29.55, 56 zone. We have seen on the daily charts, it tried to break beyond but failing to do so, reversed. Now notice what has happened last week. It tried to trade bullish, opened on a flat note, tried to trade bullish. Though if you look at the movements of for multiple weeks, it stayed in green and then first red candle has appeared, and there is a possibility for further downside all the way towards 27.50-40 zone. That is a 20 period moving average. If you follow the movement for last multiple weeks, you can find out it always tries to move towards 20 period moving average, and they certainly slightly overbought. These are certainly slightly overbought levels on the monthly and weekly charts as well. So now first thing to note here is any movement in the coming week above 29.32, any movement in the coming week above 29.32 should be a good sign that now we are looking forward to a double top level towards 29.50 and towards 29.55-56 zone. And if that is taken, then 29.64. Now remember, once 29.64 is taken, so what will happen, the candle size will start getting bigger here, greener in size. It can in fact try to aspire to move towards 3000 levels. Though I am not very much in support of that, you can also notice, see, the current candle is delivering lower highs. And what could happen the coming week, it may start on a bearish note, it can start to slide below 2900, and once it trades below 2880, you can say more bearishness should prevail, and any move below 2850 is a clear sign that now 2800 is a certainty. Let's have a look here. See, if you look at the stochastic, you can see this is almost formed a double top and now trying to look towards the bottom. See what has happened here, it can replicate the same here. So next few weeks is something you should be watchful and cautious of, and specifically the coming week is going to be one such decisive week where we can say the gold will try to take a direction here. Look at the MACD after hitting the peak here, it has retraced and now crossed over and trading with divergence and bullishness. I will wait for this to cross over again on the sell side. Right now it is trading bullish, right now it is trading in green and not showing any signs of reversal. But yes, these are also highly overbought levels. If you look back at the history, this is post COVID, we have seen it hitting the highs, and now see the levels it has achieved since COVID, and these are the levels which we had not seen in history for gold on the weekly. Next thing here is the RSI, which was overbought, and see it is formed head and shoulders now trying to look downwards. See, it is staying in this box. It has to come out of this, and the coming week is going to be one such decisive week again. And I am highlighting this fact that once it drops below 2880, 2850 zone, it is going to deliver a massive correction. But right now we have to wait for these levels at least. Now coming to the day, notice one important point on the daily charts. The 20 period is offering a very good support here. It is not willing to stay below 20 period. Second thing to note here is the day closed in a doji. So first red candle, then a doji candle, and the next week possibly it is going to begin on a bearish note. Notice why it should begin on the bearish note. Look at these 3-4 candles. The bullishness got diminished. First red candle has appeared, one swing red candle has appeared, and possibly the first trading session in the coming week might bring more bears out here where it can try to trade below 2880 or in fact lower levels. However, again I am saying only and only if it breaks below 2890, 2880, there should be further bearishness. Then I will look forward to 2860, and then what will happen? it will try to continue in this nice flag formation on the daily charts where the lows could be at around 28 20 2800, or in fact 27 40 27 50 levels. Possibility is high. See, for long now it has been trading with divergence and bullishness. The prices were divergent here, it has retraced towards 50 period and now trying to bounce back. When you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. And look at the MACD, it has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, trading with bearishness, looking downwards. And look at the crossover, it has crossed over at the top here, now trying to trade with more bearishness. It is not much of room available on the downside. However, it is trying to converge a bit before taking this divergence. So the first few trading sessions, specifically till midweek, you have to be cautious. Again, the inflation data coming in from US should bring more volatility to the prices here. RSI has dropped significantly. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now see the 4-hour charts here. You can find out a greater resistance here on the upside towards 2930 levels. Also notice none of the candles closed above 29 20 24 zone. I have mentioned these levels in my last weekly update as well, that beyond 29 20 24 any closer should invite more bulls out here. And you can notice that it is failing to do so far for the entire week. Now what is happening also, you should notice the 50 period is offering a very good support and the 100 period is offering a very good support. Now the more time it spends and once it breaks down, it is going to be a good breakdown here. Be watchful and be mindful of this. Notice what has happened after this drop. It is recovered, it is consolidating. This is a retracement, and from here, if it starts to move downwards, we can look forward to lower lows. Lower lows are far below towards 2800 and 27 50 levels. So let's watch out. Though the moving averages on the 4-hour charts have crossed over on the buy side, so you have to watch out that the direction it has to take, it has to breach below the support levels at 2890 2880 in order to confirm the direction. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over again, trading with divergence. It could take the prices all the way down. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the monthly. On the monthly charts, if you look at, see, preceding candle comes with the greener body and a very big wick on the upside. Then the next candle this week, it has started on a bullish note. It has hit the highs. What I am looking at, lower highs are done, higher lows. Higher lows means a possibility for prices to move towards 2800. And specifically once it trades now below 2860 2840 on the monthly basis, you can find out the next move is going to take it all the way towards 2800 in this month itself. And if that is taken, I will wait for 27 50 60, or in fact lower levels are possible. Why lower levels are possible? You should connect the dots first. You can find out it is trading in this bullish channel. If it tries to reverse and breaches below 27 40 50, you can expect it to move all the way towards 2600. Though the stance is not so aggressively bearish as of now for gold, it is strengthening itself in a zone. And thus the more it strengthens, first thing is, with what acceleration it breaks past the record levels. And if it does break past the record levels, you can say that the bulls will get activated here and we can look forward to greater rise. But when you see on the monthly charts, this is an extended run here. Just draw a parallel from this bottom. You can find out this is staying at the peak. This is the median here. I will say it is very important for gold to trade now below 27 40 50 zone, which will take it all the way towards 2600. Stochastic again entering into overbought zone. Look at the MACD is trading with extreme divergence, extreme bullishness, and at extremes level here, extreme levels here. It is trading above plus 200 levels. These are the levels on the monthly basis we have never seen on the gold charts. The RSI is also staying extremely overbought. So at worst, what could happen? The gold prices might try to stress the run this month. At worst, that is what I am saying. Though it is highly probable that it can reverse and trade in red and close in red this month itself. But in the worst case, I am saying if it tries to stress the run, this could be the last month here. This is my recommendation for the long term. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a sweat-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 2914 levels itself. Expect 29 20 29 24. This is the zone gold needs to break. This is going to be the prime resistance zone. Then 29 30 32. If this is taken, you can say now the bulls will get active. We will look forward to 29 40 levels, the next target, and 29 48, then 29.55. Now see, these are very nearby levels, and thus you can see how strong is the resistance gold now has on the upside. But once and how it breaches past these levels are very important. The acceleration it shows to break past these levels and the resistance it gets from these levels is something you should watch out for, because if it is breached smoothly, we are looking forward to a greater move towards 29.64, 2985, and then 3005 levels. Yes, possibly if it breaks these levels with momentum, it is definitely going to break past 3000 levels as well. Be mindful of this, though I am not in support for such a run. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2904 levels, expected to move towards 2896, 2889, and then 2880. If 2880 is taken, chances will be very high that we will see 2860 as well. And if 2860 is taken, you can wait for 2844, 2824, and then 2800 levels. Below 2800 is where massive bearishness to be seen all the way towards 2782, 2755, and then 2740 levels. Below this, anyways, it's a crash, and then you can look forward to 2700, 2600 levels very soon. Chances and probability for such a strong dump appears less. However, these are markets. The stronger the rise, the stronger could be the fall here as well. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a great weekend ahead. Thank you.